they filthy? Wash the funnies under the tap and put them into the right colored trolley. Yellow. Corn. Wash the funny under the tap first. Yellow. Wash the funny under the tap first. Apple. That's right. Blue. Jelly. Genius. Yellow. Apple. Genius. Yellow. Corn. Wonderful. Blue. Candy. Wonderful. Blue. Grape. Wonderful. Green. Cucumber. The funny wants to sit in the trolley that's the same color as they are. Watermelon. Wonderful. Yellow. Melon. Genius. Awesome. I'm impressed with your idea. Let's grow some new funnies. Run your finger along the clear tube to get water. Try again. Get the water to the end of the tube. Try again. Get the water to the end of the tube. Excellent! Put the funnies in the trolley. 1. Extraordinary! I wonder what funnies will grow here. Run your finger along the tube. Try again. Get the water to the end of the tube. Wow! What a little cutie! Put them in the trolley. 1. Hexagon. 2. Hexagon. 3. Just fantastic! You're doing a brilliant job. Let's try one more time. Oh, the funnies are going to fly. Quick, choose the right size platform for the funnies and drag them to it. Big. Blueberry. Genius! That funny blueberry. Now put the others on the other platforms. Look, these funnies want to fly on a helicopter too. Help them sit on the platforms. More passengers incoming. Put the funnies on the platform for the helicopter to take off. Chocolate. Small chocolate. Water to the end of the tube. Wow! Triangle. 1. Triangle. 2. Triangle. 3. Triangle. 4. Just fantastic! You're so good at this. You got some wonderful funnies. See? Then listen to the rules. Find the funnies and put them in your trolley. The tag on the trolley will tell you which funny to look for. Blueberry. Oh, looks like that's the wrong funny. Choose another. Corn. Super duper! Look, a new trolley's here. Let's play again. Blueberry. Incredible! Blueberry. Well done. Blueberry. Well, you're the very best. And another trolley. Gather up the remaining funnies. Broccoli. Wonderful. Broccoli. Well done. Broccoli. Wonderful. Broccoli. Wonderful. Broccoli. Wow, you found all the funnies! Bravo! Friends, get on the road. Put the funnies from the boxes into the right trailers. Pay attention to the funnies already sitting there. Which funny goes in this trailer? Watermelon. Watermelon. Good work! Who's heading off now? Potato. Great! Which funny goes in this trailer? Apple. Congratulations, you did it! Find pairs of funnies. Tap on the boxes to find out who's hiding in them. Remember which boxes have identical funnies and open them. Plum. Pear. Broccoli. Pear. Pear. Broccoli. Broccoli. Garlic. Garlic. Beautiful! You found all the funnies! The cute funnies into the correct trucks. Look carefully and you'll see a clue on the side of the truck. Plum. It happens to everyone. Try again. Ice cream. You're the best. Ice cream. You're the best. Blackberry. Great. Plum. You're the best. Plum. Great. Blackberry. Excellent work. Plum. Great. Ice cream. You're the best. Hooray! Excellent work.